So in this video we're going to be replacing the third brake light on my Nissan Titan. It should be the same for all 2004 to 2015. So we've got a new Auxedo tinted LED light. And this one is a put coat. This one was clear and we put some tin film on it. The tin film is starting to fail. So instead of redoing the tint film, we're just going to replace it. Auxedo sent me this to try out. So if you want to get one of these for yourself, go to auxedo.com, AUXITO.com. Use the code TITANTOWN for 15% off your purchase. And this comes with two harness adapters. This fits multiple models. I believe this fits the Titan and the Frontier. So I'm guessing one of these is for the Titan and one of these is the Frontier. You just need to connect the proper one. Removal of this is easy. Inside there's two 10mm bolts, so we'll show you that inside the truck. Okay, our bolts are located under these caps, which come out pretty easily. So these holes are actually 8mm. I said 10 before, but just follow than that. You gotta go up, straight up. And then you gotta be careful not to drop it, because if you drop it, you could lose it. Okay, we got it loose. Pull up your wiring harness. Touch it. We had this one thread right out of the headlight housing. So I can actually access that from here and get that taken care of. And let's match our harnesses. So they're both 3-pin. There's a bigger end and a smaller end. It's going to be the smaller end. So we're going to connect that. So we've got 3 wires. They're colored. Red and red. White and white. Black and black. Also got a new seal. It's got sticky on both sides, so we're going to clean this surface around the truck, and we'll apply that to the headlight or the brake light first and go from there. Actually, it looks like we're going to have to disconnect that, push that wire through here, cut these out. Gotta take care of this, and I'll get something to clean that with. Okay, so at this stage, I'm going to connect the wiring harness. And then peel this backing off to this side. And to get it around that, we can just rip it. Tuck the wiring inside. Make sure we've got light the right way. Press it on, and the nuts will suck it in and help seal it. Pull our plastic off. And that's it. All we've got to do is reinstall our two 8mm nuts, and we're done. I'm not going to show you that. And then push our caps back up. But that is it. We'll get some clips of it when it's dark out so we can see what it looks like.